Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Red, the T-Rex from Primal. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Red from Primal, let's begin with the eye. I'm going to begin right here. We'll just make a little line that's going to curve up and then back to start the top of the eye. Now for the actual eye, we're just going to go down and then bring it up here. For the pupil, let's just add a little line right inside of there. Next, to make the eyebrow, we're just going to draw a line that's going to come up and down. Start off the front of the nose, we're going to make a little line right here. We're going to leave some space, and then we'll make a little line that's just going to go up and then down. I'll kind of color in a long, skinny oval just for the nostril. And then starting right here, we're just going to make a little line that's going to go up and then down for a bump on the front of the nose. Let's bring this line down for the front of the mouth. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to come over, we're going to go down, and then up like this. Next, starting here, we're just going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then we're going to curve it in. Next, for the back of the head, let's draw a line that's going to curve down and then just come down here. And then right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go over and then curve up for the jaw. Right here, we'll make a little line that's going to go down and then it's going to come back in. And that'll just kind of form the neck. Let's curve this line over. And let's make the back. To draw the back, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and down like this. And then next, we'll make the tail. Very easy. Just draw a line that's going to come up and out to here. We're going to make it pointy at the end, and I'm going to bring it back right to about here. See, it's a little skinnier at one end and then fatter down here. To start the arms, let's make a line that's going to go down and then out here. Then we'll make two curved claw shapes, one here and then one right here. Let's make this line go up and then we'll go straight up. And that'll just be the arm. You can just add a couple of curved lines for the claws. We'll make a little line right here for the stomach. And then we want to start the legs. We'll begin up here by drawing a line that's going to curve down, and then it's going to come back like this. Almost kind of like a letter L. We'll draw a line that comes down. We'll make a line that's going to curve down to a point and back, and then one more. Curve down to a point and then back. We'll bring this line up. We'll bring it in, and then we'll put a bump right here. Then a nice big curve line for the back of the leg, and go ahead and connect the tail. Now let's make the other arm. I'm going to begin by drawing another line that comes down, and then we'll put two little curve points on it. Bring it back, and then two little curves for the claws. Now for the other leg, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go down and then come right to here. We'll make another line down here. And then we'll draw a line that's going to curve down to a point, and then one more down to a point and back. Let's go ahead and add a couple little curves for some claws on here. Now on the back of the head, there's going to be about 5 spikes. So we're going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 little spikes back here. There's going to be a couple teeth. We'll draw a couple going down here, a little bit bigger one going up here, and then two more small ones right here. There's also going to be a couple spikes on the tail. We're going to make a line that's going to come out to here, and then one more here, kind of like two little shark fins. Let's add a little stripe here. We'll add two little lines here for a stripe. And then we'll make two lines right here, and we'll put a little V in there. I'm also going to add a couple stripes here. We'll do a big one, a medium one, and then a tiny one. Then we'll put a couple more big stripes coming right here on the face. Now, let's make a little line that's going to come down and then kind of curve back. We can actually make this a little longer here. We'll make a little curve here. And a little line underneath the eye. We'll draw a line here and then a line here. And then two little curved lines right by the arm. We'll make a line here and then a little line here, just for some more detail. And there you go, there is your drawing of Red the T-Rex from Primal. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.